The key area for growth for Agilex right now is really looking to our immunobiology services and in particular our flow cytometry capabilities. So right now we've just finished installing 2 new Cytek Auroras within our Queensland new facility at the QIMR building. And what this is going to allow us to do is really increase our positive relationships with key partners in terms of being able to analyze those fresh whole blood samples at speed. So that's going to be a really great area for growth for us, especially in the eastern states of Australia, where we know that getting samples analysed and analysed quickly is going to be really key for that particular technology. As we look further to the future, we are also looking to bring in other technologies such as artificial intelligence that can help with our efficiency gains and help with our processing within our laboratories as well. So it's really a very unique and exciting area that's happening within the labs and within bioanalysis industry as a whole. And it's going to be really exciting to see where that next chapter takes us.